Assalamualaikum. Good day to everyone. My name is Haziq and we are from group 16. Our product is called mobile phone cooling case. One is about the durability. Durability would be depleted over the specified lifespan, affecting the protection efficiency over the smartphone's external body. Is that smartphone itself has smooth surface that is already easy to slip from hand. And through the problem statement, the first one we want to apply in our pattern of mobile phone cooling case is to maximize protection efficiency of the external body of a smartphone by introducing damper function into the smartphone case, even if the durability is decreasing. Second one is to maximize the gripping over the smartphone case through various means like the friction surface, introducing the external components, or maybe change the shapes of the pattern. Last objective is to minimize heat and trap within the smartphone case by maximizing heat transfer from the heat generating component to the lower temperature surface area. The scope of our case study about the mobile phone cooling case is to pattern a smartphone that fit with three objectives or provide solution to the current problem. And second one is to analyze the heat conduction of the heat sink and thermal storage and heat absorption through the system pattern. This could be done by introducing the cooling system inside the pattern design. Lastly, to analyze the cracks escalation of prototype smartphone within the pattern through drop impact test. This also could be done through the analysis.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zaki Ariff bin Zainudin. I will continue the presentation about product description and analysis. First, we like to invite you to watch the video first.
Second one is about the protection efficiency is when we introduce a damper function. The first one is very
So this is all the part that we are construct to 3D printing. Next, I would like to share about what is the function of mobile phone cooling case. So the function is to reduce the mobile phone temperature, increase grip on phone case, and improve the protection of mobile phone. The pattern functionality is to fit right into the pump that will lessen to the probability of the pattern housing a smartphone slipping from the grasp. Next, for the parts and component, we have only 7 parts that due to our product. The first part is body cover. The function of body cover is to cover and protect smartphone from external drop impact. Next, for the heat sink. Third, for the thermal storage. Fourth, thermal conductive pad and corrugated sheet. The sixth part is inner substrate, and for the lastly for cooling system is for the engineering analysis. Now we are using ANSYS Workbench software to get result analysis of total deformation, equivalent elastic strain, equivalent stress, and the last one is stress tone. This is our calculation using Workbench. This is simulation that we get from the ANSYS simulation. the result, all the result that we get from the Aziz.
Hello, my name is Xian. I'm going to present about process planning of mobile phone cooling case. For our mobile phone cooling case, we have three manufacturing processes. They are 3D printing, injection molding, and mechanical plating. For 3D printing process, we use for body cover, inner substrate, carrier, sprinkler, corrugated sheet, heatsink, carrier locker, thermal storage, carrier cover, and spring crown. For the injection molding, we use it for the body cover by using silicone as the mold and then produce it by using epoxy resin. And lastly, the mechanical plating. We use this process to produce the spring by hot winding method. The steel is coiled around a mandrel while red hot, and then removed from the coiling machine and plugged into oil to cook it quickly and harden it. For the assembly part, we done by first make the body cover, inner substrate, corrugated sheet, heatsink, thermal storage, carrier cover, carrier rocker, sprinkler, and spring crown by using 3D printed, and they are using PLA as the method, as they will become hard after the 3D printed process is done. Next, the body cover is being molded by well-mixed silicone mixture and delaying agent before they are created by using epoxy resin and its hardener with the ratio of 1:1. After that, the gold in dark powder are mixed well with the mixture. This is the product that we produce, and it becomes transparent. Next, for the carrier locker, sprinkler, and spring crown, they are assembled together with the spring before inserted into the body cover as the cooling system part.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Fauzan Chong and I would like to present about cost analysis for mobile phone cooling case. What material we use and buy for our project is the material we buy for our project is thermohamic pigment powder, thermal paste sheet, glue, sandpaper 60 and sandpaper 90 to 600, epoxy resin, 3D print for first mold part, glow in the dark powder, liquid mold maker, nucleify set, and hardener for create our project mobile phone cooling case. The total cost of material I just mentioned is 375.22 cents. The most expensive for the material is 3D print for first mold part is 196.40 cents. Where we buy for to create our project is firstly we buy from the Mr. DIY and then we buy from the online is eShopee, grocery store, and Newton Robot Interior. By the way, Newton Robot Interior is one of manufacturing from the Padang Balang in Malacca, which we buy for the 3D print to create our prototype mobile phone cooling case. Overhead cost of the product prototype and manufacturing cost is the fund provided by the faculty is 300 for every group project to create their product. Since our total cost is more than 300, then our group added our own fund is 75.22 cents. Therefore, the total for this project mobile phone cooling case is 375.22 cents for overhead cost of the product, prototype, and manufacturing cost. That's all for my presentation for this evening. Thank you.
This is the material selection table that explains every material that was used for this phone case. Some elements for our phone case, which is body cover, heatsink, thermal storage, thermoconductive, corrugated sheet, inner substrate, and cooling system. This table describes the description for every materials and the method of processing, and the reason to use this material. So, next slide. Aku rasa lebih lah kat aku. Okay. Next, I will explain the sustainability according the diagram of CAD-CAM. So first, we have body cover that made from thermoplastic. Based on our research, TPU can minimize wastage by promoting Based on our research, TPU can minimize wastage by promoting recyclable designs which can be used between product life cycle and can be recycled into new applications. Next, I will explain the sustainability according the diagram of CAD-CAM. So first, we have body cover that made from thermoplastic. Based on our research, TPU can minimize wastage by promoting recyclable designs which can be used between product life cycle and be recycled. Next, I will explain the sustainability according the diagram of CAD-CAM. So first, we have body cover that made from thermoplastic. Based on our research, TPU can minimize wastage by promoting recyclable designs which can be used between product life cycle and can be recycled into new applications. Then for the heatsink part, it is made from aluminum alloys that are today considered entirely recyclable and are seen as a sustainable material. These material properties are very good heat and electricity conductor that's suitable to achieve our project. Lagi sekali. These material properties are very good heat and electricity conductor that's suitable to achieve our project by minimize the heat. Anyway, aluminum and alloy can be separated with some special manufacturing process, but it is worth it since aluminum can consider has high value of money. Also, for the thermal storage, we use pure copper. It is recyclable and create more sustainable and better environmental. It can be reused again without any loss quantity of material in performance. Plus, for the thermal conductive pad was made from silicon. It is durable material and better for the environment. Silicons are recyclable but have a low recycling rate and it needs specialized recycling company. Thus, it can be downcycled into various products. Next, we use polypropylene copolymer (PP copolymer in bracket) for corrugated sheet part. It is fully recyclable, but it also less total environmental impact. While for the inner substrate part, we use the same material as a thermal conductive pad part. Thus, it has same criteria for sustainability. Next. Anyway, most of the material that was used in this product may consider as a product sustainability in bracket PS, which is it provide economic benefits and at the same time providing environmental and social benefits to society in general. In conclusion, sustainable practice plan is very important to apply in every production because it gives advantage of creating a better world for everything. That's all from me.
Lastly, the summary. The main objective of the project have been achieved. There is some innovation strategy to improve the quality of the phone case and an effort to satisfy customers with our excellent idea. So our users target is all mobile phone users with daily excessive usage. Next, for the objective, to maximize protection efficiency of the external body, maximize gripping and minimize heat and drag of the smartphone. For the cost of our product is RM375.22. And lastly, for the benefits, our product mobile phone cooling case, we protect the phone from falling, cool down phone temperature and improve gripping effect of the smartphone. Thank you.